In this video, I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio. Now, I've provided a link. There's a link that you want to download from. It's called obsproject.com/download. Now, this is the safest way to download OBS Studio in 2026. What you just need to do is copy this link. I'll put this link on the description. You can just copy it from the description and enter it to your browser, or you can just type in obsproject.com/download. Now when you enter that, you're going to see that it will redirect us to the OBS official website. So this is it. Open Broadcaster Software, obsproject.download. This is where you want to download from. You scroll down, you're going to see the download installer. You're going to see everything you need to get started with OBS Studio. So please be mindful while you're trying to download OBS Studio. There are so many people out there trying to steal data. You don't want to fall prey to their scheme. So just use this link whenever you try to download. Once it's downloaded, follow the prompt. It's quite straightforward. Follow the prompt and complete the installation process, and you're good to go. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you.